I want to show you how I've been using Canva to create Instagram Reels in a super easy way. Now, the reason I've been doing this is that when Reels first came out, everyone was making them really fun with all these interesting transitions and doing all that kind of stuff. And people are still doing that. But what I find is that it takes so much time and I don't have time to do it. And I know that you, as a clinician, certainly don't have time to record yourself on Reels. So, what I recommend for you folks for Reels is either just to give do a video where you're explaining something in your practice, answering a question. If you guys follow Dr. Jen Gunter, she does these all the time on Reels and TikTok. There are loads of other doctors and other kinds of clinicians who are doing this as well. So that's what I recommend for that. If you don't want to do those talking face to camera type videos, which, you could mix it up, or maybe you don't want to do those at all, this is another great, super easy option for you. It is fast and you can create a bunch all at once. So what you are looking at is my clinician social media club. These are actually all reels. So every single one has a video behind it. You would download it, upload it to music with a reel. So just to give you an example of how I've been using this. So I post every day to LinkedIn. So I am going to use this whole thing that I posted on LinkedIn and adapt it for Instagram. So I'm going to take this opening line and make that the quote that I'm putting in here. And you can change this in any way you want. I'm going to get rid of the username. And now you could change the video back here by going to elements and just search on background video. Or if you have something particular in mind, you could search for that and then just click on videos. And you could really put anything behind here. So like, there you go. You could change the length by clicking on this. You want to make it really short, like 4 seconds or something. Like, people don't need to see this for a long time. I'm going to undo it because I liked the original video, but there you go. And then I'm actually going to use 2 of these. You could use just one for reel, but I'm going to download 2 because I want to add some of these points in another slide. So I'm going to add that here. I would spend a little more time fixing the fonts and stuff. I'm not going to do that right now for this demo. And I'm going to take off this, and I'm going to add, some of the things that I said, like, had I not had this right mentor, then I would have quit. I would have done these other things. Okay, you get the idea. So I would put 3 of these, and I'm going to change this background because this is a funny, like, face wash type thing. So that's not going to work for me. Actually, I'm just going to use the same video. So then it's like consistent here. And there you go. Okay, then I'm going to download these 2 as separate videos. So I'm going to click on share and I'm going to click on download, and I'm going to do actually one at a time, because if I just do number 1 and 2, it'll give me 1 video. I actually want 2. So I'm going to download the 1, and then I'm going to download the second one. Okay, and I'm going to switch over to my iPhone to show you how I upload it as a reel. Right now I want to show you how I turn those Canva designs into a reel. First thing I do is go to the Reels section in the bottom middle of my home screen on Instagram and find a song that a lot of people are using. Now, the reason this is important is because if you just choose a fun song, then you actually won't get that many views. I know it's silly, it's a game, the whole thing's a game, but if you use a viral song, then a lot more people are going to see your reel. So just pick something that's viral. This one will work great. You're going to click on the photo of the album. So right there, and see at the bottom it says use audio. You could also save audio if you want to use it later, but I'm actually making it now, so I'm going to press use audio. Now I've got that audio, and you've got my morning glasses look. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to add my videos, and this sometimes takes my phone a little while because there's so much going on in my phone. Okay, and I'm going to press this top little double square button so that it lets me select multiple ones. I'm going to pick the first one and the second one, and click on next. Okay, there's the first one. I can shorten it like this if I want to, which I'm actually going to do because the shorter, the better. So there we go. I'm going to click add, and then here's the other one. And I'm also going to shorten that one. And that's it. From there, I will click on preview, and I like how it looks. I'm happy with it. And then I will add in my caption. Now, I have my caption all written for me because I have written it on LinkedIn. So I'm just going to copy it, and now it's not letting me paste it because I am oh, there we go. Okay. Woohoo. All right, I pasted it for my Mac. Macs are cool like that. I'll go through and tag everybody, and then I'm going to press OK. I can either save it as a draft or I can share it. And that is it. That is how you use Canva. Super easy, super fast to make a form of content that people will actually see on Instagram. So that is how I am making reels in such an easier way. And even better yet, I don't actually even make them. I have a virtual assistant. So I write the captions and then I give her access to these templates in the Clinician's social media club. And then she actually does all that work that I just showed you of turning my captions into a reel. So it makes it super easy. But even if you're just doing it for yourself, it is much easier to start with these. And just to give you a sense, these were the July reels that we sent out. I do also send them out in a post format. So if you really don't want to use reels, you could still use these as a post. So they're super versatile. They work in both ways. But what you get each month are 18, you're seeing 20 here because these are the ones I worked on, but you get 18 of these templates, and they are customized every single month for clinicians. And then this is the best part, you get captions that go with all of the designs. So I give you promotional captions. I give you 5 kinds. So there's 5 categories. Promotional, where you promote your practice or your business. Relatable, where you're focusing on helping people connect to you. Inspirational would be like quotes and things like that. The example of the reel I just showed you today would be inspirational. Conversational, where you're getting people into conversation. Hello, it's social media. And educational, where you are actually teaching them about something in your expertise. In addition to that, you get every single month captions for all of the healthcare hashtag holidays. Sometimes there are as many as like 35 to 40. In July, there weren't quite as many. So you get them for all of the captions for every healthcare hashtag holiday. And I also do Zoom open office hours for members of the Clinician Social Media Club. So if that interests you, I would love to have you in it. I am having a quick sale this week, the end of July, and it will be going up in price in sometime in August. So let me know if you have any questions, and that is the club.